I'm filming this from the shed, so I'm safe. I'm out of harm's way. Wow, the drifts are bad. I had to shovel just to get the door open. It's really bad. Look at Cisco. She wants to go in. I've had enough, Mommy. Sissy, come. Here she comes. She's a good girl. Come on, baby. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Let's turn the light on so they can see you in your funny getup. Look, come here. Come here. Sit. 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 She's never sat in this stuff before. Sit. Okay. Now look into the camera. It's not supposed to be sticking out that far. It slid off. Do you like your neck collar? It protects your ears. I'm ready to go in the house, Mommy. I'll just go potty indoors tonight.